Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Craving a rich, creamy and flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion? Look no further than butter chicken. This iconic Indian curry made with tender chicken and a luscious tomato-based sauce is a culinary masterpiece that will tenderize your taste buds. Today I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step process of making this delicious dish at home. From the aromatic base to the succulent chicken and the creamy sauce, I'll ensure you have everything you need to create a restaurant quality meal. Get ready to be amazed as we combine the perfect blend of flavors and textures. With a few simple ingredients and a little patience, you will be able to whip up this butter chicken in your own kitchen. So grab your aprons, gather all your ingredients, and now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 900 grams chicken thighs cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, 1 tablespoon tandoori masala, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 cup yogurt, and 2 stock cubes. Then give this a nice mix and marinate this for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 6 cloves, 5 green cardamom, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 3 green chilies, 5 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 1 inch ginger roughly cut, 4 garlic cloves, 20 cashew nuts, and then fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 6 tomatoes cut in medium pieces and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 1.5 bowl water. Add half cup coriander leaves roughly cut and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Something like this. Then give this a nice mix. Then leave this aside and allow it to cool down slightly. Then take a mixer jar, add the tomato mix and blend this to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then take a baking tray and simply place the marinated chicken and spread it nicely on the tray. Then bake it at 200 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Then take a bowl and place the sieve and simply strain the tomato puree. Just to make sure the paste is nice and smooth. This is a very important step. Please make sure you do it. Then leave the tomato paste aside to use it later. So the chicken is ready now. Then add 2 tablespoons butter. Then coat the chicken with the butter. Then bake the chicken again for 5 minutes more. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 2 tablespoons butter, and add 2 onions chopped and fry it until the onion is soft. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add the masala paste which was previously made and give it a nice mix. Then add 2 cups water and mix it. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give this a nice mix and add 1 cup water to get a nice curry consistency. Add half tablespoon sugar, 1 cup cream and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give this a nice mix. Then add the cooked chicken. And give this a nice mix. Then add 2 tablespoon butter, add 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, and give this a mix. Then add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube and give this a mix. Then cover it and cook it until the oil separates. Then add 2 tablespoon kasuri methi, slightly crush it, something like this, and then give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering butter chicken, the perfect combination of tender chicken, creamy sauce and aromatic spices. Every bite is a symphony of flavors and I guarantee it will leave you wanting more. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is a must try. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. If you have tried this recipe, then please do comment and let me know how it turned out to be. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.